Hello everyone. I'm gonna bring you to see the chickens today. These one are chickens over here. The sun is not working with me, but you guys can see a little chickens. We have about 50 chickens over here. They're looking for me to feed them. And we see our goats back there. We're gonna give them some food to all of them. Hey, beautiful ladies. How are we doing today? There's a beautiful rooster that we rescue. This rooster and the white rooster is back there. Look how big is this chicken over here. Beautiful chickens. We got a little bit of snow. We got a storm a few days ago. Between snow and rain. There's a little goats over here. Bah. Even these one too, we rescued them. They're feeling much better. They still don't come too close. But if I get some feed, they will definitely come. With no feed, they don't come, but with their feed, they come. Come. Yeah, little baby girl. Sorry. I think she's pregnant. When we rescued them, they told me that she was pregnant, but I'm not sure. I bought a test. I don't even know if it worked. Hey. Hey, you munchkin. Hey. But I don't know how to know if he's pregnant or not. One of my chicken was fighting with another chicken, but I don't know if he's pregnant or not. I bought a test. I cannot tell the color of the test. Maybe I did it too early. I'm not sure. Hey, munchkin. Oh, look at you. Now you're coming. See if I have food. No food. You already ate. I don't know. I guess we're just gonna wait and see. It's very hard also to touch her or figure out if some movement on the belly. I see when the male tried to go over there with her, she got a little upset. I know the signs when she's in heat. I know about the tail and about all goats. They are different, but I don't know. I guess we're gonna wait. I think 3-4 months, because we just have them for a month and a half. So usually pregnancy is like 5 months for a goat. But we're gonna definitely let you know. So let's go get some feed, just a quick feed, because they already ate. Eggs. The sun is not helping me here. But in the wintertime, we don't get much eggs. But what are we gonna do? We're gonna still feed them. There is different feed you can give to the chickens. If your chickens, they're not laying in the wintertime, there is different feeds you can give them. Maybe with the more protein. The same one that we give to the quail, there's like 30% protein. Right now they're getting 16% protein and 2.5 fat. So we can change the feed and test it and see if they give you more eggs. We give them a lot of scrap, a lot of vegetables, a lot of bread from the cafe that we own. So you can change it and see, test it. It's all about testing and see if what it works for you. What it works for you. Different feed, different coop, right? What do you guys think? Hey, at least I can touch you. You're being nice. You're being nice. Hey, Munchkin. All this is temporary. We're gonna change it as soon. Hopefully she's gonna have a baby. We're gonna change it, we're gonna extend it. We're gonna make it bigger over here. And we can put the males over here, the female over there. There is so many goats. The people, they are giving away chickens, roosters, ducks. You know, a lot of people takes these animals, don't take in consideration it's a lot of work. It's a commitment that you have to do and give to the animals that you get in. Is the caring that you give in to the animals, you know, as you cannot just take an animal and thinking it's easy thing to do, and you know, it's a lot of work. You know, we try our best. You know, if we cannot handle our animals, they become meat. But you just don't take animals for the fun to have animals. I don't take care of them. You see, it's too much work, especially in New York. It get cold in the winter time, and people that don't want to go outside and feed them, changing the water. You know, it's a lot of work. So my suggestion is, don't take any animals that you guys cannot take care of. Just think about it, it's a lot of work. And you know, you make them suffer. And you know, we rescue them and they stay with us. My kids bring them food in the morning. I come in the evening after work. Try to, you know, I come in the evening after work. And I feed them, I check on them and make sure they're okay. There is no predators around. You guys can see we live a lot of woods behind us, so there's a lot of foxes, and sometimes we got bears. And different animals that can attack our flock. It happened before, raccoons. And the funny thing of the raccoons, they take one chicken at a time. They are not like a fox. They take the whole flock or half of the flock. Raccoons, they eat for the day and they come back the next day and they take more the next day. You know. So you always have to be careful. And you need to know that you're gonna lose some chickens here and there. You know, and if it's not a raccoon and maybe it's a bigger animal, you may lose a goat. You can lose a cow. Always take in consideration of these things. But now in the springtime, what are we gonna do with the goats? We're gonna put them around here in the little forest that we have, so they can clean up the forest. Maybe getting more goats, and maybe get pigs. Little pigs. And we know it's a lot of work, but you have to be aware it's a lot of work. Thank God I have an awesome wife that she homeschools my kids. She stays home with the kids. It's a lot of work for her too, but she loves the animals. So we're gonna get maybe a few more animals. She wanna get a cow, but I don't think we're gonna get a cow. It's, you know, you need to know what you can handle. Right now we have goats, chickens, quails. We have a garden we're gonna grow, and we know it's gonna be a lot of work. So cow right now, sorry baby, but it's not gonna be available for us. They sold out all the cows, so we cannot buy a cow. Maybe later in the future we can, not now. So over here, I'm gonna show you now. Over here is where we're gonna put the goats in the springtime, so they can have some good berries and grass to eat. And over here we have a little pond that we created by hand. It was a lot of work. We created a little pond. We're gonna redo the pond, and hopefully up here we're gonna put some bees. Up here or up here we're gonna put some bees. I already planted some saplings of oak up here, so we can have some trees and shade. And this is a little forest that we have. Yeah, I did my best to wrap it around. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be scattered around again. But why I love to live in the woods, I'm gonna show you. Not in the woods, you know, in the countryside. First of all, because all this beauty. Not living in the city. I used to live in New York City. I don't like. But why I love to live in the woods is you can walk around and find one of these ones. Ta-da! From the deers. These are the horns of the deers. Very nice. We have like maybe four of these ones. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. I see you next time. If you guys have any comments, if you guys want to subscribe, you really help me out to grow the channel. I know it's gonna take time. We grow naturally. We don't buy any followers, so the followers out, the people that want to watch our video, our adventure here. Simple Homestead. And please guys, subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. I'll see you soon.